Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat wallet tips and tricks for foreigners. I've received a lot of messages about being a foreigners, how can they withdraw money from their WeChat wallet balance, how this is possible to withdraw from the WeChat wallet. This is because no foreign bank card available in WeChat wallet. However, before you can withdraw money on your WeChat wallet, there are certain things you need to do. Like for instance, if I click on me right here, let me quickly walk you through. So if you click on me right here and I go to pay and services, then if from my wallet, so we are talking about this wallet right here, this one right here. Let's say for instance, I want to withdraw this token amount I have in my WeChat wallet right here. And then you click on the wallet, then you have it right here. Now you want to withdraw, you go to balance, and then right here as a foreigner, you tap on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, then this is what you see. Please add a debit card issued by Chinese mainland bank. Please add a debit card issued by Chinese mainland bank to withdraw money. Okay, and you are foreigners. How can you withdraw this kind of money from your WeChat wallet? I have a lot of cases about this and I decided to make a video about it because someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and asked about this particular question. So I'm going to exit from my WeChat right here. Then I'm going to open my WhatsApp right here. So just like so, say good morning, sir. I'm from your YouTube. Please, I've been dropping questions on your YouTube videos. And please, I have received yuan from China on my WeChat, but I wanted to transfer it to my Naira account, but there was no option on that. Please, how do I go about it? Okay, I said you can't withdraw to Naira account. So that was my response right here. So I asked how much is the fund. I teach children in China and the pay varies between 500 to 1,000 yuan. So this person here is a remote worker. He teach people in China, and Chinese only make payment through either WeChat Pay or Alipay. So if you find yourself in this category, you are foreigners and then you are working with Chinese as an expatriate and you do not reside in China, and because Chinese only make payment either on Alipay or WeChat. So the only options you have is to look for a money exchanger that can exchange the yuan with your local currency, be it Naira or in any part of the world you find yourself. So how does this work? You have to make sure you look for money exchanger that can collect WeChat fund. So once they collect WeChat fund from you, then you give them your local bank account. They will credit you in return to your local currency. So in the process of doing this, be mindful of whoever you want to exchange the money with, because there are a lot of people that can scam you in this process. So be mindful that you trust the person that wants to exchange the fund with, because the process comes this way. You have to send the WeChat wallet first before you receive the money in your local currency. And that is the only way a foreigner can withdraw from WeChat wallet, because you are not in China and you don't have Chinese mainland bank card. So as a result of that, you have to make sure you look for a trusted and reliable money exchanger that can collect the WeChat fund and give you your local currency into your bank account or anywhere you want to send the money to. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as WeChat wallet tips and tricks is concerned. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this about WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.